1. This is the final outcome. I will give a detailed review as the video is going on. I will record that separately. This is the back of AO4. This is AO1. You may not be able to see the annotations, but the top right, can you zoom into the top right for me? You can see 7 different tones that the student has experimented here, and various different drawings of the composition, the body composition. The student has taken their own photographs as well. Let's move to the next A2 piece. This is AO2. At the back of this AO2 is artist research. The student has provided extensive number of annotations to go with each image. Again, the camera may not be picking up the annotations here. May not be, we'll see. Artist transcriptions, drawings, digital drawings that the student has created. At the back is contextual links, historical links as well, relating to the theme.